Hello, this is Eric from labofcoding.com. In this video, look at another important Python data type, the set. A set is an unordered, non-duplicate collection of objects. So it's not ordered, and also it cannot have duplicates. The concept of sets is similar to the concept of sets in mathematics. Again, sets are also mutable, that is, they can be mutated, they can be changed. So the syntax for sets is the curly braces, just like for the dictionary, but it does not have key and value pairs, it's just elements. So say, for example, let's declare two sets here, which are sets of colors, color 1 and colors 2. So there are different methods that you can use to work with sets, and they work in the concept is the same as in mathematics, that is the intersection between two sets, the union of two sets, and the difference between two sets. So say, for example, you want to get the intersection of the two sets, colors 1 and colors 2, that is the elements that are in both sets. We will say colors 1 dot intersection, and then we pass the second set that we want to get the intersection with. That will be colors 2. So we get the intersection as green and blue, because blue is in the first set and in the second set, and also green is in the first set and in the second set. And instead of the intersection method, you could use the ampersand. So that will be colors 1 and colors 2, which gives the same thing. It gives us the intersection. Again, we could get the union between the two sets. That is, we unite the two sets, dropping duplicates. So we could say that is colors 1 dot union, and we pass the second set to the union method. That will be colors 2, and it will command dropping the duplicates. We could use the pipe. So instead of the union method, we could just say colors 1 and then the pipe character, and then we say colors 2, which will give us the same result. And we will get the difference between two sets. So that will be colors, we could say colors 1, the difference colors 2, which will give us the difference between the two sets. In this case, white, orange, and red are only found in colors 1. And instead of the difference method, we could use the minus character. So you could just say colors 1 minus colors 2, and we will get the same result. Again, you can convert a list to a set. Say, for example, we have a list of numbers. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Let's repeat 2. Let's repeat 4. Let's repeat 3, 2 again, and let's repeat 1. So we have So we have our list of numbers. We forgot a comma here. So we can convert this to a set using the set method. So we'll say, let's say set 1, and then we have the set method, and then we give it the list. So it will convert the list to a set, dropping the duplicates. So if you look at set 1, I find that it's now a set, but the duplicates have all been dropped. So that is the set data type in Python, and those are some of the methods that you can use with it. It becomes quite handy in your programs. Say, for example, you have a case where you are getting a list of emails, and you want to send emails to those email addresses, but you're not sure if that list has duplicates or not. So if it has duplicates, it means that that person will receive the email twice. So you could use the set to convert that list to a set, so that to make sure that there are no duplicate email addresses, so that each person will only receive the email once. So that's it for this video. We'll pick it from here. Thanks for watching.